Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about these storage bins that we got recently on Amazon for our toddler's sensory table. I absolutely love these bins. We got 2 extra ones to use around the house when we need it. I just love how easy and how they can just collapse down. As you can see, these are very easy to collapse down, and once you collapse them, it's very, very tiny, so you can store this anywhere. So I just like to have them around when I need storage for anything or need to carry anything around the house. So that's why I got 2 extra ones. But yeah, these are perfect for the sensory table, perfect size. As you can see, they fit here perfectly. Very easy to clean, and the material is thick. It's like this rubbery type of plastic. I don't know how to explain, but the quality is better than I was expecting. So yeah, highly recommend these bins for sensory table, or like I said, just storage around the house.